Gavin, there's something sparkly over here. Oh, I think you found the golden egg. I found one too. Allie, what did you get?
A goalie.
That's what
A
Mom
bad
That's
goalie.
what I wanted. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all
Allie, you
each
wanna
got a
sit down and
golden
see what's in
egg?
your
Al, let me see
Yeah,
that golden
I
egg,
got
Al.
goalie.
A big golden.
I thought that other one was the golden egg you got.
Gavin got a gold egg too. Look what Gavin got.
What is it, Gavin?
Oh,
garbage
she got a
truck.
green
Let's
and a
get
golden
Gotcha,
egg.
Al.
Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. We don't want to break it in the box.
Hold on, Gavin.
Let's see what's
Pick
out
up,
in
pick up
Allie's.
your eggs and let's see what Allie got in her golden
Let's see
egg.
what Allie got in her golden egg.
You got a garbage truck under your golden
Gammy's
egg.
going to get it undone for you. Let's see
Wow,
what Allie got.
I got a new garbage truck.
Who's getting the
Okay,
egg?
Allie.
What is that?
Whoa!
What is that?
That's a people!
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh,
Holy
Allison.
smokes.
That's the golden egg of all golden eggs.
Allie, look what he got.
Whoa! Garbage!
Yeah, a new garbage
Allie, what in the world?
I got buoy! A bull!
Yeah.
Oh, let me go. I gotta have to get some.
Can you believe you're going to believe?
No,
You're a believer.
When is it?
Take a picture of this, Mimi.
Mimi.
Okay.
Take a picture.
Take
It's in August, and it's in Atlanta. We have to go to Atlanta.
It's August.
Is that your dream come
Let me go
true?
get the scissors, 'cause we don't want to break it.
Wow, Allie.
I get bull!
Take a
Let me see one.
picture.